Did you know holding in a sneeze can actually tear tissue inside your throat? In 2018, doctors in the UK treated a man who suppressed a sneeze and ruptured his pharynx. He couldn't swallow for days. Here's why it matters. A sneeze builds pressure up to 176 kilometers per hour. When you pinch your nose and clamp your mouth shut, that force has nowhere to go. It pushes backward into your ears, your sinuses, and the blood vessels in your brain. Doctors have recorded burst eardrums, torn throat tissue, and even ruptured brain aneurysms from this one habit. So next time, just let it out. Your body will thank you. Follow Healthy You for more.